Hi everyone, I'll walk around Roppongi at night. Roppongi at night is a lively entertainment district in Tokyo that is known for its nightlife and diverse range of activities. There are many options for dining, drinking, and entertainment, making it a popular destination for tourists and locals alike. There are numerous restaurants in Roppongi that offer a variety of international cuisines, from Japanese to Italian to Indian. After dinner, visitors can head to one of the many bars, clubs, and lounges that are scattered throughout the district. Some of these venues have live music, DJs, or other performances, making them a great place to party and socialize. Aside from dining and nightlife, Roppongi also has many other attractions. There are art galleries and museums, such as the Mori Art Museum and the National Art Center, that often hold special exhibitions and events. There are also shopping centers and boutiques where visitors can buy unique souvenirs or fashionable clothing. I introduced Roppongi today. I wish you feel like walking here by this video.
Non, non, pas un essai. Il y a des